In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Shopify. We'll do this using Shopify's official Google and YouTube app, so you can enable Google Analytics tracking without touching code. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Shopify store and that you have access to the Google account you want to connect. Begin by opening your Shopify admin. If you're not already on a clean starting point, head to Home so you can see the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Apps. This is where we'll find and add the Google and YouTube sales channel that powers the Google Analytics connection. In the Apps area, use the search to look for Google and YouTube. When you see the official Google and YouTube app, select it to open its listing. On the app page, take a quick moment to confirm it's the official app from Google, then proceed to install. Click Install, and when Shopify shows the permissions screen, review what the app needs and confirm by clicking Install again. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them here to avoid any issues during authorization. After installation, Shopify will open the Google and YouTube sales channel inside your admin. You'll land on an overview screen. Look for the section that helps you get started with marketing on Google, typically labeled Drive Sales and Reach More Customers, and open it. This brings you to the setup area that connects Shopify to your Google services, including Google Analytics. Next, click Connect Google Account. Choose the Google account that owns or will own your analytics data, and grant the requested access. If you keep multiple Google accounts, double-check you're picking the right one. The app will guide you from here with on-screen prompts tailored to your store and region. If you've previously connected the Google and YouTube channel, you'll simply see the channel open instead of the install buttons. Just proceed to the Connect option in the same area. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your Google login ready in another tab, disable strict pop-up or tracker blockers temporarily, and ensure you have the necessary permissions on both Shopify and Google. If the app search doesn't show results at first, try a simple term like Google, and then select Google and YouTube from the list. That's it. You've added the Google and YouTube app, opened its marketing setup, and connected your Google account so you can enable Google Analytics tracking for your Shopify store. Data can take some time to appear, so give it a bit, and then check your Google Analytics to confirm events are flowing.